Hello students, this video is in continuation of the earlier videos in which I was explaining the short story The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. This is from the book Prose and Fiction, BA Part 3rd, English Literature, Paper 2nd, that is prescribed in Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner. I am beginning today's story from the page number 2nd and the last paragraph. In the earlier part of the story, we had learned that there were three friends, Soumi, Anil and Rusty, and among the three friends, one friend is describing how they used to play in their school life along with the foothills. One friend had discovered a pool, and how did they play there? It is described in the short story. So I am going to begin this story from the last paragraph of the second page. The effects of the explosion gave Anil another idea. In the previous paragraph, it was described that Anil was of some wild temper, and he used to do some adventures. And in the pool there were small silver fish, and one day he brought with him the fire from the fireworks shop, the gunpowder, and he made an explosion there. The effect of that explosion was that the fish got stunned and they were almost died, and he collected those fish and roasted them and he ate them. In this way, the three enjoyed the explosion activity in the pool. Now, the effects of the explosion gave Anil another idea. Anil was of mischievous temperament, so the effects of explosion gave Anil another idea. He got another idea to enlarge our pool. He thought to enlarge the pool by building a dam across one end and means one corner. In one corner, he thought that he should enlarge the pool. This was accomplished with our combined labor, and they enlarged the pool by laboring in a combined way together. But we had chosen the season of the monsoon rains. They did this work in the monsoon rains, and one day a torrent of water came rushing down the bed of the stream. One day what happened? A torrent of water means heavy rain fell, and it came down to the bed. Bed means the lower part of the stream. It came down the stream means pool, bursting the dam. It burst means broke down the dam which they had made, and flooding us out of the ravine. And that dam moved towards them out of the ravine. Ravine means valley. So the dam broke down on which they had worked hard. Our clothes were carried away with the water. Their clothes carried away, and we had to wait until it was dark. And as their clothes were carried away, so now they had lost their clothes, and we had to wait. They had to wait until it was dark before slinging homewards. Slinging means going in a stealthily manner homewards stark naked. Stark naked means completely naked. They had to go to their homes. We kept the darkest alleys. So this was also an experience near the pool for them. We kept to the darkest alleys as they were quite naked. They had no clothes. We kept to the darkest alleys and they took the way to the dark lanes where no one could see them. But Somi was spotted near a lamp post. Somi was spotted means someone noticed him near a lamp post. Near a lamp, someone saw him. He simulated the stance of a naked fakir. Simulated means he pretended. He pretended that the stance means pose of a naked fakir. He pretended that he was a fakir, though he was naked, and began calling for alms. And he pretended as fakir, and he began to call for alms. Means he begged. He pretended to beg, and finally slipped in through the back door of his house. Finally slipped in means he entered quickly in through the back door of his house without being recognized. He tried to escape from the notice of the others, and in this way he in the darkness entered into the house quickly.